I haven't done a cornrow all down in 3 years on my head, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Trust the process. Let's watch the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I braid my short hair in cornrow. Like I said before, I haven't done a hair like this on my hair in 3 years because my hair was always short. Now I decided to grow it back, and I was pretty nervous because, as you can see, my hair is thick. I almost gave up at one point because I was like, this is kind of hard. When I say I was like kind of tired, like I'm like, I don't know if I can do this. But anyways, I'm glad that I did. And let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm trying to prep the roll, and I'm only using edge control on my roll. I'm not putting it directly on my hair yet until I start to braid the hair, and you guys will see. So now I'm just using the mirror. Honestly, this was a little difficult for me because I haven't done it in a long time, so me doing it was kind of challenging. Next time I will try to get a mirror and try to put it on the wall, but for now I was just trying to use what I have. So as you can see, I brought the hair. This part was like a little difficult because my hair is very thick inside, so it was kind of hard. It was short, but I still did it. I did it, and I love how it came out. So now I'm just parting my roll. To make your hair look good, make sure your roll is part really nice. That's the key to making your braids looks good. Even if you don't even know how to braid that well, if your part is braid really nice, it's gonna come out good. So as you can see right now, I'm just looking at the back, and I'm using my finger for my eyes. Like, I don't know, like I just do it. So I put my fingers on the roll, and I will know if the roll is twist or if it's not twist. I just know how to do it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just making sure that my roll is part really nice because I was kind of nervous. Like I said, I was nervous. I was like, oh boy. Yeah, so as you can see, ooh, that looks good, right? So I parted the roll really nice. Now I'm gonna start braiding. At first I was like, my friend is too short because I bleached my hair before. Like, I cut my hair lower. Like, I cut my hair really low. My hair was bald in December. It was bald, and now it's July, and you guys see how much my hair has grown. My hair growth oil is crazy. This hair growth oil just grew my hair like crazy. So now I'm just adding the hair in between. I will put the color on the screen, right? Like, I will try to put the color up for you guys to see the color that I use. So I'm just adding the hair in my short hair now. At first I was like, this is not gonna look good, but then again, I'm in my color area. I guess that's what you're gonna cut it, like my color area. I was like, I'm not putting black on my head. I'm like, I needed something. As you can see here, I was like, but then I was like, you know what? Continue to do this, continue doing this. Don't stop right now, like, So yeah, so I'm trying to add the color in the hair. I'm just braiding the hair. So this is the part I'm about to explain to you guys. So as you can see, I didn't put edge control directly on my hair, but as I'm braiding the hair, I'm taking my finger and I'm dipping it in the edge control, and I'm braiding the hair. This works for me really well than for me to put a lot of the product on my hair, and then my hair is gonna start itching, and yeah. So I was like, I can't be bothered. So this hair lasted a week and a half on my head, and honestly, it's summertime. I didn't feel like to wear no wigs. I didn't want it to be powder at all. I just wanted something to get up and go, and I decided to do this, and I'm glad that I did because I really liked how it turned out. That's why they always said, trust the process. Don't give up so early. You gotta be patient. So yeah, I checked the back to make sure everything is looking right. When I say everything is looking right, my hair is not 100% perfect, but at least I try, and it looks good. That's what I'm gonna say. It looks really good. I love it. So yeah. So I'm just braiding the first one now. We just gonna continue doing this, and we're gonna continue doing this. And then now I move on to the second one. This is how it's looking. My hair is so thick inside. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I've been treating my hair growth oil has been working for my hair so well. When I tell you guys, the link is gonna be in my bio, where you can go ahead and purchase your hair growth oil. And also my hot oil treatment is coming very soon as well. Yeah, I'm excited to bring our hair back, because me, I'm like always cutting my hair. I'm always doing something to my hair. So I decided, you know what? Let me come up with something that will really help my hair just grow back healthy and fast. So that's what I did. I came up with my own hair product, and it has been working really well for me. And I'm truly grateful and I'm happy. So now I am on the second one now. I'm just braiding the hair. My hair was kind of tired yet, but I'm just like trying to braid the hair the best way I could. And yeah, the color at first I was like, why did I buy this color? But then afterwards, I really liked it. I was like, oh, it came out very nice. Very, very, very nice. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to see more video of me. I'm gonna be bringing hair video every single week for you guys. I'm really excited. I'm excited for this. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm taking the edge control again, and I'm putting it on my finger, and then I just rub it on the hair itself, and I continue braiding it. Like I said before, this works for me really well. I don't like putting edge control directly to my hair, because I just don't like doing it. Okay, you can do it however way you feel comfortable doing it, but I just don't do it anyways. Yeah. So my face, I'm gonna put a bit of attention on my face. First I'm going to look at the back, and this is how it's looking. Trust the process. This is how one side is looking. Now I'm gonna go to the other side. So as you guys know, I'm not sure if some of you guys know or not, my doctor put me on IQ10, and it gets worse before it gets better. So first he put me on 16, and he upped the dose to 35 or 36, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's about 35. And my lip been going through it. I haven't had any bad side effects. The only problem is my lip, and your face gets worse before it gets better. So this is what I'm going through. I'm doing everything I can do, and yeah, so that's a story on my face. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, I'm on to the next side, and I'm just braiding. At this point I was really liking it. Like, I really like the hair now. I was like, okay, it's coming already nice. I'm very happy with how it's coming out. I like the color in the hair. It's looking good. I'm very pleased. So yeah, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking at the back to make sure everything is good. So this is the finished look. I'm putting my mousse, I'm just putting some mousse in my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it and do all the other works that need to be done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to get more video from me, because I'm going to be bringing video every week for you guys. Yeah. Cannot even talk. So yeah, I'll be bringing video for you guys. Jesus Christ, I can't even talk. Anyways, so I'm going to be bringing video for you guys every week. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.